trucks are created alike. As you see here, we're looking at 1,100 bucks. But if you want to go really cheap, then you need Cheap Truck Challenge. Now let's go meet our competitors.
Good. You guys got fucking Alero parts.
All right, so this is how we're starting our build off. We just pulled the struts out of this thing, and we're going to be modifying the tracker's main suspension with coilover struts. Yeah! So now we're getting this thing out of here. We got everything we need off of it. All right, get her up. This way.
Can you tell me where I lined up? That clutch is stiff.
Yeah, that clutch is fucked up.
Oh no, it's good to go.
Okay. I guess we're being our own hosts because I couldn't find anybody else to host. Bastards. This thing is fucking rough shape, man. There's not much left to it.
Believe it or not, you got a great deal.
Great deal, yeah.
Great deal.
That's why we're having this build off. And that's why our team goes first, because we have to deal with all this no fucking floor bullshit.
Likely. Just put wing nuts on the floor.
Ejectocito. Alright, our plan of attack is to cut this out right here, this big wheel well. We're going to make our own little strut mount thing. We're going to put the Alero struts on there, and it should jack it up real good. We're going to set the car, we're setting the tracker up as high as we want it.
It's going to be like there.
Yeah, it's going to be like there. It's not bad though. On 33s.
Oh, it should be higher than that.
Ejectocito. Okay, so we went and salvaged the tires off the Dodge. I know, like, part of the rules were that, but
Mitch is doing it too. So
Mitch is doing it too, so it's not like we're allowed to have an advantage. We're gonna take the tires off the Blazer, but
fuck that.
Too much time. We only have 12 hours left. You know, we gotta jack it up. We gotta fucking. Okay, so we gotta go. Now we're starting. What we're gonna do is we're gonna set all the mounts and lower everything so we can get our struts in there, and we're gonna lower the dips and everything and all the hoopla and the blah blah and have fun with that.
That around, we'll use that somewhere. Nice in there.
Should I try that? Almost. Okay, I'm free. Okay. I ain't about there, right? Alright. Well, we got the drop brackets kind of sort of made. I'm going to finish the back one once we're off the hoist. Now we got to do the other side. What time is it now?
4 o'clock?
4 o'clock?
Oh, sorry, 15 to.
15 to 4. We've got till midnight to finish this. This is the hardest part. Like, we're doing the hardest parts the front. The back will be super easy. Yeah, let's go. Cutting corners but not grinding. I don't know if that was a good idea. Now we had to cut the tabs off our strut. It's right beside you. Let's show them what we've done. We didn't film. The tabs right here on the strut. Well, this side of the strut sticks out too far for the 33s, so we're just flipping it around so there's more clearance. We have enough clearance behind anyway. I think we still have to sit in there somehow. Alright, we dropped the traction bars on this side. Oh yeah, bottom link bars. Now we're going to do some drop brackets with the top reeling piece. JP's cutting off the other side so it can match. Doing an excellent job. There you go. Atta boy. Alright, we hit a snag, so we ran out of wire, and it's friggin' late. So the back's not even done. We talked to the other team, they said they would give us another 4 hours on Monday to finish, so things would be even. We're gonna get them some welding wire tomorrow morning. We're gonna leave all the parts here so that they don't have to go looking for it. We're gonna take it out. We're gonna go hide it so they can't see our truck. So by the way, we got, what did we name it?
The Green Bastard.
From Parts Unknown. So yeah. So when it comes to voting for the best looking one and the best name, pick ours. All right. We'll see you.